Fortunately, unfortunately, Pune is an IT hub, and everybody assume that the information available on internet. Distribution channel like travel, tour operator and travel agents are not properly utilized to promote this destination, which is very, very important. Take TAI, TAFI, MTOA, IATO, all this distribution channel is very, very important. What earlier I mentioned about the walking together and taking in confidence, like MCCI should be the part of MTDC support IATO convention. And there is a post or pre-convention tours happening to Pune. What they will show Pune, we don't know. So what image tour operators, travel agents will carry those who are visiting Pune, we don't know. So whether we can do the better way, whether we can showcase Pune properly, it should be simultaneously, because I heard that they are staying in MTDC hotel. I don't know where is there. So, and when I spoke to various other hotels, the hotels are ready to host travel agent, because all these people are aware that people come stay here, they give business. And they experience that. And everybody in the world invite us with the business class and all that. They invest money on us. So today, all agents are coming to Mumbai, they are coming to Pune, but we don't know, and you are not a part of that promotion. So how we effectively coordinate that, and how we emphasize the government body to take us in confidence, take into the picture, we are also part of that. And very important, travel and tour operator, we are spending money. It's a government money, our money. So they are not coming for fun, we are hosting them. So we show in proper, each and every minute of their presence in Pune effectively, properly utilized for our benefit. So that should be our focus. And this distribution channel is very, very important. You cannot. And second thing is that I'll suggest MCCI to, as they are doing the travel bureau and all that, we should have Pune brochure or directory or something which can be distributed to all tour operator travel agents. And that's very, very important.
Solving a lot of industry problems, I understand. But as he said, this powerful distribution channel, is there a way you can take this forward in any which way, please?
Yeah, definitely we can take forward. Already our TAI website has been developed, where just last week I had a meeting where we can put up our all our subjects of Pune, all tourism and all that, we can put there definitely. Secondly, with the MCCI, we are always there to help them wherever there is a meeting, wherever they require, we are always there. When I am looking at Pune as such, it's nothing like, it's something what I look at it, our small regions surrounding Pune. Basically, that is also very important for us. If you look at it, we are based in a place where it is covered by most of the Sahyadri mountains. Now, if anybody can see, there are so many of old monuments like forts and all that. When I look at it, it is in crumbling situation. Whereas if you go abroad in foreign, they are making artificial ones and they are selling. If MCCI can involve some private parties with government, because we as agents, I don't think so we have that much pressure or pull in the government organization, we can join hands with them. If that can be developed.